Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at NowLogic, and today I'll be explaining the ins and outs of working with plugins in the studio. Let's get started.
Plugins in Element Studio provide additional contextual actions or connections to enhance the functionality of elements. Each type of element supports specific plugins tailored to its intended use, allowing for dynamic and flexible data handling within your app. Most commonly, plugins can be used for the following purposes. Data repository searches. This allows you to search and select data from a different data document than the one already connected to the modal or element. Document types enables the use of user-created options for drop-down fields, customized to specific user needs. Metadata options provides predefined options with commonly used data sets for convenience, such as countries, currencies, and time zones. That's the end of our quick tutorial on using plugins in Element Studio. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.